What up, what up, what up, what up, though? Welcome to QuinteScential. It's your boy Travis, aka Mr. Clark Cent, aka Mr. President, aka the QuinteScential Sentiment. Today I have a video, since people kind of like unboxing videos, I'm gonna do this. This is my spring unboxing haul video. For Lent, I decided to give up buying anything that wasn't an essential besides bills, groceries. So no eating out, no going drinking and going to bars and nothing like that, and definitely no fragrances. Before Lent started, you know I had to go out and get some certain things just to hold me over for this 40 days. I'm gonna start off with certain things that I did in the last unboxing video and just trying different fragrances. And the number one fragrance that I had bought and I had tried it out, and that was the reason why I went and got the samples, was this right here, just Mula. I went and ordered it from 5 ml decant from Crystal Fragrance, and of course, Mula blew me away. And I decided, well, you know what? I'm gonna use the 5 milliliter decant to travel with, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the 50 ml because now they come in 50 ml as opposed to coming in the whole 100 ml, which I love the 50 ml more than anyway. So you guys have seen, it's very simplistic. The bottle, I like it. It's kind of heavy. Hold it from here real steady. Uh-oh. Cap broke. Oh no! I was looking at it like, man, that looks weird. Yeah, look at that. That's your round part got stuck in there. But in that unboxing, what Crystal Fragrance does, she sends different samples of different fragrances that she thinks you might like based off of what you actually ordered. So one of the things that she sent with it was a fragrance that actually was my first time ever smelling it, ever hearing from the house, which it was this, which is Burke by Svensk Parfum. So you can go back and look at my other video for what this is. This fragrance right here, it has like a raspberry, yeah, it has like this raspberry note at the top. It's really dope. Yeah, and this fragrance is so good. So I ordered this also. It blew me away, that raspberry. They say it's red notes or red fruits at the top, but it just reminds me like a raspberry type candy with some woody notes, a little musk. It's so good, man. Love this fragrance. Had to pick it up. So with that being said, the other thing I got from Crystal is something I've been hearing about a lot, and this is You or Someone Like You. I don't know if you can see that. You or Someone Like You. Yeah. I'm about to butcher this. Itat Libre de Ronde. I don't know, man. But this joint I've heard a lot about, and this is gonna be my first time actually smelling it. This is a complete blind buy. People said it smells minty, and I like mint, so that's one of the notes I actually like. And I was looking for a fragrance like that. Presentation, you know, very simplistic, you know. There we go. Yeah, mint and green. It is mojito. That's what a lot of people have described this as. It's like a mojito. So that mint, refreshing type vibe. So I'm gonna be rocking this in the spring. Something else I didn't get from Crystal, I got from fragrance.net. Had to pick this up. Bleecker Street, you guys know that. There's actually my scent of the day actually today. So I kind of snuck in more of that side. Blueberry, green, OG. Funny story about number 9. I bought a couple. I think I bought the Andy Warhol Montauk, and when I bought it, they started sending me all kind of samples for years. Each place I moved, somehow they found me. I was like, here's some little samples, and Bleecker Street was one of them. So I finally pulled the trigger on Bleecker Street this spring. Another one that you guys have. My first review I've ever done was on this fragrance, but I didn't think I should spend $90 on it because I spent it and paid retail for it, and I didn't want the 100 ml, and so I took it back, got my money back. And I said I'll just wait until it comes on the gray market. And it makes sense that I waited to come on the gray market, because what it is Dolce & Gabbana, the one gray. Now, people have, talk bad about this fragrance. I want to sample, da da da. To me, it smells good. It's like a lighter version of the one, and I actually like it. It's just a good fragrance. Here's a presentation of it. Clear. It's like woody. Has a little bit of the one essence, the DNA, like everybody likes to say. Has a little bit of that inside of it. And this joint is good, man. Like, to me, this is good for casual days, casual Saturdays, or going to work. I like this fragrance, so I had to pick it up for $37, which was not the $90 that I paid for retail. And that's how you do it, people. All right, so some of the samples that Crystal sent me that I asked for was, one is Remarkable People by Celebrity Dion. Another one I've never heard of is Tom of Finland by Celebrity Dion. Let me see, I don't keep saying it like that. So I'm gonna try these out. Last month I did the Black Perfumery Challenge, and this house actually kind of came late to the party. They sent it a little late to me. They said that they hit me up and said, hey, we're a Black Fragrance House, we want you to try it out. And this is by Pink Mahogany Fragrances. They're called PM Fragrances. So they sent me these, and I'm gonna try these out and see what they smell like. This is called Tandem. This is Gent. This one is Fedora. Samples, because it's a lot of them. That was five samples right there. This is 4. This is another 7. That's what 12 different fragrances. So I'll put that in another video. No, this is gonna be long enough. Now these are by the house of 4160 Tuesday. They actually made a fragrance that I'm going to have to get, and I'll probably wait until the fall to get it, because now we're getting into more fresh citrus type because it's spring. So I'll probably wait until the fall to get it, and it's over the chocolate shop. That joint is just chocolate on chocolate. And look at me, I'm a chocolate man, so I like chocolate fragrance. I wanted to explore this house a little more, so I got a couple samples. This is Midnight in the Palace Garden. So I'm assuming this is gonna be a little green. This is probably gonna be one of the ones I may rock in the spring. This is Amberama, so I'm assuming it's amber based. This one is Black Velvet Cafe. I'm assuming this is coffee, that cafe part. This one is, it's the funniest name ever, okay? This is the funniest name to me, and that's why I had to get it. I have no idea what it's gonna smell like, but she said, hey, it's gonna smell great. The sexiest scent on the planet ever. That is the name of this, by 4160 Tuesday, London. The sexiest scent on the planet ever. I hope that is true, because I'll be walking around smelling like the sexiest person, unless someone is wearing this one, which is extra sexiest scent on the planet ever. So I had to get this one. One sexiest scent on the planet, the other one was the extra sexiest scent on the scent. If this is extra sexiest, then how can the other one be sexy? You know what, I'm not gonna get into it. I'm just hope they are sexy. And my last two are from different houses. Well, this one is from Celebrity Dion. It is I Am Trash. Now, what they did was they took recycled stuff and made a fragrance out of it. And I think that's like one of the dopest things I've ever heard of. And some people have said it smells real nice, and I just want to try it out, man. And the last one is by Molinard. This is Fig or Figgy. I don't know, man. It's supposed to be really good, man. It's supposed to be kind of Bleecker Street-ish. So we'll see. But yeah, so that's my fragrance haul. What you can do is you can like this video, you can comment, you can subscribe, you can hit the notification button, you can follow me on Instagram, and you know why you need to do it? Because it's quintessential that you do it. See y'all next time.